This is a product you don't know you need. The Bluetti EB70 portable power station. This product has practically changed my life. I no longer buy fuel for my generator. I no longer depend on NEPA or the power distribution company to bring light before I'm able to record videos. I mean, this product can power my refrigerator for about 10 hours. It has a live pull 4 battery, which is the preferred kind of battery, and more on that is coming soon. I was able to power my video light, my fan, and my laptop, and charge all my power banks, JBL speaker, and my iPhone on the wireless charging pad on top of the device. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this video, we will take a deep look into the Bluetti EB70 power station. We will look at this device in 7 sections: design and build, battery, output, usage, charging, monitoring, price, and availability. If you ever need to jump to any section, I have timestamps in the description of this video to help you get to any part of the video you are interested in. Subscribe if you're not, and don't forget to ring the bell to be notified whenever I post a video like this one. Every week, I get an average of 2 emails requesting that I review a product. Most of these requests I decline because the product doesn't work well, isn't interesting, or is hard to recommend. Also because I wouldn't want to waste my time making it. Making videos is quite a difficult thing to do. And also because I wouldn't want you to waste your time watching it and maybe your money buying it eventually. But when Bluetti reached out with this product, I was excited because this is something we need, especially in Nigeria, where we have power issues. I went on Amazon to see reviews and they were mostly positive, so I said yes. But be assured that my review of this product is my honest opinion and Bluetti did not see or edit my script. Before we continue with this video, let's see how this product was packaged and what came in the box. The Bluetti EB70 portable power station came in a sealed box housing another box, and opening the second box was pretty easy. The first thing in the box is a warranty card, followed by a user manual, which I strongly advise you to read up on to learn about using the device and some safety precautions. There is a warning here to keep the power station away from direct sunlight. I guess this is so important that it should come on a different card. Next is a smaller box containing the AC charging adapter, AC charging cable, car charging cable, and solar charging cable. More on its solar capabilities is coming soon in this video. We finally have the Bluetti power bank in the next compartment. The EB70 feels incredibly sturdy and well made right out of the box. I have the EB70 in black, which I think looks fantastic, but if you want something different, you can also go with the grey or blue color. The EB70 is portable and compact, measures 12.6 by 8.5 by 8.7 inches and weighs about 10 kilograms, which is light enough to carry around. I also like that the carrying handle can be collapsed to make way for the wireless charging pad on top of the device. More on wireless charging is coming soon in the usage section of this video. It is quite portable and easy to carry, but you shouldn't walk in the rain with it because it is not waterproof. Every port you will need to power your gadgets with this device is on the front panel. You've got a wireless pad, which I really like for charging my wireless power devices like my iPhone, Google Pixel, and even the Apple AirPods Pro. However, I wish it was large enough to charge more than one device. Next, you've got 2 AC UK power outlets with a 1000 watt AC pure sine wave inverter, which simply means that it converts DC or direct current, which is the type of power coming from a storage battery, to AC or alternate current, which is the type of current the distribution company gives you for your home appliances, so that you can extend the inverted power with an extension box and plug your appliances. I use this to power my laptop, fans, and video light when I need to make a video and I'm out of power. This way, I don't worry about generator noise. For DC power, you've got a cigarette lighter port just like the ones in your car for charging your phone. There are 2 DC 5521 ports, also known as barrel connectors. 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports are available for charging your gadgets and phones. The options are not exhaustible because there are plenty of ways to utilize the power output from the Bluetti EB70. Also on the front, you have an LED flashlight if you'll be using the device in darkness. The LED has 2 brightness levels and 1 SOS light mode if you ever need to send a signal in an emergency while camping or something. Still on the front panel is a display to monitor power input and output and a charging port for refilling the power station. More on this in the charging and usage sections of this video. There are air vents on the sides of the device to expel air from the fan inside while charging or in use. It is crucial to realize that Bluetti EB70 differs from some of its competitors or rivals in that they use lithium iron phosphate or LiFePO4 batteries rather than standard lithium ion batteries. Compared to other types of lithium ion batteries, lithium iron phosphate or LiFePO4 are safer and have a longer lifespan. Also, it offers up to 4 times as many charge and discharge cycles before the power pack's capacity starts to degrade. effectively doubling the lifespan of the device. Additionally, lithium iron phosphate batteries are much safer because they almost never catch fire on their own. This is not the case with standard lithium ion batteries, and it is something Samsung users can easily relate to. Lithium iron phosphate's main drawback is that its energy density isn't quite as high as that of the standard lithium ion. Due to this, the Bluetti EB70 is a little large than necessary compared to its rival, but that is not a deal breaker for me. I think I prefer performance than size. Talking about performance, the Bluetti EB70 is a powerhouse. It has a lithium ion battery with a capacity of 716 watt-hours, that is 197,280 milliamps hour, which can run a small refrigerator for up to 10 hours. There are a total of 10 outputs on the Bluetti EB70. The AC voltage is set at 240 volts and 50 Hz in accordance with UK regulations for this particular unit, which has a UK plug at least. You can get the device with other types of plugs if you want. As I already mentioned, Bluetti uses a sine wave inverter to change the direct current DC into alternate current AC. For delicate electronics like laptops and cameras, which can be harmed by power surges or unstable currents, this is especially important. It has a 6,000 watt surge rating. An inverter's surge rating is the maximum wattage it can deliver for a brief period of time, typically a few seconds. For appliances like air conditioners or refrigerators that take a lot of power to start up, this is helpful. The wireless charging pad charges your device at 15 watts and the USB ports are capable of 100 watts max. For context, the device is capable of charging a phone 50 to 60 times, powering a 20 watt LED light bulb for about 30 hours, powering a television for about 8 hours, powering a small 90 watts refrigerator for about 6 to 7 hours, and powering a bread toaster for about 3 hours. Before using, you want to make sure that the total wattage of all your appliances doesn't exceed 1000 watts. Otherwise, the power station will trip off. To start using the Bluetti EB70, plug in your appliances or gadgets and press the button beside the AC ports if you are using AC power, or the DC if you'll be using the USB ports and wireless charging pad. The button should light up green to indicate that power is now available in that channel. You can press the button again to turn off the power. You can press the button beside the touch to turn the lights on. If you press the button again, you will change the brightness level, and pressing the button the third time activates the XOS mode for emergency. If you are going to be storing this device for a very long period of time or for an extended period of time, it is advised that you bring it out and charge it to 80% at least once every 6 months. The Bluetti EB70 supports pass-through charging, which simply means that you can use the device while it is charging, but it is recommended that you charge it before using it. Talking about charging, the EB70 can be charged through 4 methods. AC charging, that is plugging it into your wall to charge, and it takes about 4 hours to fully charge the device from 0%. PV or solar charging. You can get a solar panel from Bluetti, or you can buy a compatible panel from the market to charge the power station using the solar charging cable provided. Just make sure that the solar panel you are buying complies with a maximum input current of 8 amps, a maximum input power of 200 watts, and that it produces an open circuit voltage of OCV3 when not connected, and a voltage range of 12 to 28 volts when connected to a load. Car charging. You can connect the EB70 to your car's C-grade port via the provided car charging cable. However, this method takes over 8 hours to charge the device, and it is the slowest method. The last method is charging with a mechanical power generator. The LED of the main bricks turns red and the EB70 battery indicator begins to flash when the device is charging. A minor bug for me with this device is the display and the quality of the information for monitoring. First of all, the display turns off rather quickly, which means that I have to always press one of the buttons and hope that the touch doesn't come on. Also, it only shows battery percentages in increments of 20. Apart from the battery level, the display also shows the output wattage and input and output status. Inactive icons are also available to warn you for low battery, temperature anomalies, short circuits, and overloads. Let's now talk about the Bluetti EB70's value. It is not the cheapest portable power station available, but it is also not the most expensive at around $749. In my opinion, the EB70 provides excellent value for money. It is a fantastic investment for anyone who needs portable power because of its high quality construction, dependable performance, and assortment of practical features. I will include a link to buy this power station in the comments or video description. They also have cheaper power stations if you think this is more than you need. The Bluetti EB70 inverter is a fantastic product. To sum up, for anyone who requires dependable power on the go, this well-designed and powerful portable power station is ideal. The EB70 has the capability and adaptability to meet your needs, whether you are camping, traveling by car, or simply residing in Nigeria. I hope this review has been helpful and informative. If it has, please like and share it, and don't forget to check out this video right here or this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.